Angle grinders may not look flashy, but they're some of the hardest working tools you can own. In this video, we break down the best angle grinders for DIYers, home workshops, and serious users. We'll cover power, size, safety, and value so you can choose the right one with confidence. Links to all the featured angle grinders are in the description box below, so let's dive in. Designed for work where outlets are limited or non-existent, the MILWAUKEE 288020 cordless angle grinder delivers serious performance in a portable package. Powered by the M18 fuel system, its brushless motor reaches up to 8,500 RPM, offering cutting and grinding strength that rivals many corded models. The solid metal construction adds durability for tough job site conditions while keeping the tool balanced and easy to control. Safety and longevity are clearly prioritized. An electronic clutch helps reduce kickback, and built-in overload protection prevents the motor from being pushed beyond its limits. The rapid stop feature quickly halts the wheel after the trigger is released, adding another layer of control. For comfort during longer tasks, the anti-vibration side handle reduces hand fatigue and improves stability.
The 5/8" 11 spindle supports standard grinding and cutting accessories, making it easy to switch between tasks like metal cutting, surface grinding, or light concrete work. Users often point out how convenient the cordless design is, especially for remote or elevated work areas. Battery life depends on workload and material, but most agree the power output is impressive for a cordless grinder.
Overall, this grinder offers a strong mix of mobility, safety, and professional-level performance for both tradespeople and serious DIY users. Built for demanding jobs, the DEWALT DWE402 angle grinder delivers strong, reliable performance without feeling bulky or hard to control. Its 11 amps AC and DC motor spins up to 11,000 RPM, giving you the cutting, grinding, and polishing power needed for metalwork, masonry, and fabrication tasks. Despite the power, the tool maintains an excellent balance, making it comfortable to handle during long work sessions. The grinder is built with a mix of durable metal and tough plastic, designed to hold up under job site conditions. A built-in dust ejection system helps keep abrasive debris out of the motor, which helps extend the tool's working life. DEWALT also upgraded the internal components, including oversized brushes that last significantly longer and a large spiral bevel gear for smooth, dependable power transfer. Ease of use is a clear focus. The one-touch guard rotates a full 360 degrees for quick adjustments, and the quick change wheel system lets you swap discs without reaching for a wrench. A slim grip and adjustable side handle improve control and reduce fatigue. Safety features include a paddle switch with lock-off and auto shut-off brushes to protect the motor. At 6.2 pounds, it's powerful yet manageable, and the 3-year limited warranty adds extra confidence. The BOSCH GWS 845 angle grinder is built for users who want steady performance without extra weight or bulk. It runs on a 7.5 amps motor that reaches 11,000 RPM, providing enough power for everyday cutting and grinding tasks in both home garages and professional workshops. At just 5.44 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and well-suited for longer jobs where comfort matters. Its slim grip fits naturally in the hand, making one-handed operation simple and controlled. The durable plastic housing is paired with a directed airflow system that helps push dust away from key internal parts, which supports longer tool life. A 2-position side handle allows you to adjust your grip based on the task, while the burst protection guard adds an extra layer of safety during operation. BOSCH includes practical features that save time and reduce wear. The large spindle lock makes disc changes quick and straightforward, and the service minder brush system signals when maintenance is needed, helping prevent unexpected downtime.
Users often highlight the grinder's comfort, balance, and ease of use. While it's best suited for light to medium-duty work rather than heavy industrial use, most find it dependable for metalwork, repairs, and basic construction projects. Overall, it offers a solid mix of portability, comfort, and value.
The SKIL 929501 angle grinder is a compact, practical tool designed to handle everyday cutting and grinding jobs without unnecessary bulk. It runs on a 6-amp motor that reaches 11,000 RPM, giving it enough speed and power for working on steel, concrete, and other common materials. For its size, it delivers consistent performance that suits both workshop projects and job site tasks.
Durability is a clear strength. The grinder features a heavy-duty metal gear housing that protects internal parts and helps the tool hold up under repeated use. Its sturdy construction feels solid in hand, while the lightweight design makes it easier to control during longer sessions. A vibration-reducing side handle helps limit hand fatigue and improves stability when precision matters. Convenience is built in as well. The tool-less guard lets you adjust the safety shield quickly, so you can adapt to different cutting or grinding angles without slowing down. The compact grip allows for better handling in tight spaces and improves overall control. Users often mention its strong performance on metal and concrete, especially considering its affordable price. While feedback on ergonomics and switch placement varies, most agree it offers reliable power, good balance, and solid value for a wide range of grinding and maintenance tasks. Combining solid power with a compact, easy-to-handle design, the METABO G12 SR4 angle grinder is built for users who value performance and control. Its 6.2 amps motor delivers up to 12,000 RPM, making it well-suited for cutting, grinding, and polishing jobs that require speed and control. Weighing only 4 pounds, it's especially comfortable for extended use or detailed work where heavier grinders can become tiring. A slim grip diameter improves handling, while the forward-angled side handle can be mounted on either side, making it comfortable for both left and right-handed users. The low-profile gear case helps the grinder reach into tight or awkward spaces, which is useful for precision tasks and maintenance work. METABO's labyrinth construction helps keep dust and debris away from internal components, supporting longer tool life. Practical features add convenience. The spindle lock allows quick wheel changes, and the included set of 5 grinding discs means you can start working right away. Users often comment on the grinder's strong build quality and dependable performance, particularly for tasks like sharpening mower blades or light fabrication. While opinions differ on the switch design, most agree the tool offers excellent portability, durability, and control. Overall, it's a reliable option for anyone needing a lightweight yet capable angle grinder. The Porter Cable PC750AG angle grinder is designed to handle tough job site work without feeling overly bulky or hard to control. It's powered by a 7.5 amps motor that reaches up to 10,000 RPM, delivering the torque needed for cutting through rebar, concrete, and various metal surfaces. Whether you're handling demolition or fabrication tasks, it offers steady, dependable performance. Durability is reinforced by a cast metal gear housing that helps protect internal components during continuous use. At 5.9 pounds, the grinder strikes a practical balance between strength and maneuverability, making it suitable for both demanding cuts and lighter finishing work. A soft grip handle improves comfort and reduces hand strain, especially during longer sessions.
The 3-position adjustable side handle allows you to customize your grip for different angles and applications, which adds flexibility when working in tight or awkward spaces. A built-in spindle lock makes wheel changes faster and more convenient, helping reduce downtime between tasks.
Users often point to its solid construction, good power output, and straightforward operation as key strengths. While some have mixed views on long-term durability, most find it reliable for a wide range of applications. Overall, it's a versatile option for professionals who need a capable grinder that performs well across varied job site demands.
Engineered for users who need dependable power without added bulk, the MAKITA 9557 BPX1 angle grinder delivers reliable performance in a streamlined design. Its 7.5 amps motor spins at 11,000 RPM, delivering strong, consistent performance for cutting and grinding metal, concrete, and masonry. At just 4.5 pounds, it's easy to control and comfortable to use for longer periods, thanks to its slim barrel grip.
MAKITA focused heavily on durability. The grinder uses labyrinth construction to keep dust and debris away from the motor and bearings, while a zigzag varnish coating protects the armature from contaminants. These features help extend the tool's service life, even in rough job site conditions. The smooth startup reduces sudden torque, making the tool easier to manage when you pull the trigger.
Convenience is another strong point. A lock on-off function supports continuous operation, and the paddle-style switch feels natural during extended grinding. The toolless wheel guard allows fast adjustments without slowing down your workflow. A C and DC capability adds flexibility when working with different power sources.
The kit includes multiple grinding wheels, a diamond blade, and a durable metal case for storage and transport. Users consistently praise its smooth operation, solid build quality, and excellent value. Overall, it's a reliable, well-rounded grinder suited for professionals and serious DIY users alike.
That brings us to the end of our Best Angle Grinders Guide. From quick DIY tasks to more demanding projects, having the right grinder can make every job easier and safer. We hope this video helped you make a smarter choice. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let us know which grinder you're using in the comments.